Hello and good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tricia Dinkel. I'm the Engagements and Partnership Manager with MIT Startup Exchange, and it's my pleasure to introduce today's MIT Startup Lightning Talks. So you will be hearing from four companies. Many of you have already experienced that each of the presenting startups have established as a designated high top table outside during the networking breaks and immediately following during the networking lunch. All four of the presenting startups are part of MIT Startup Exchange, and they're developing critical technologies and services that align with the focus areas for today's events: novel drug delivery, AI and machine learning for biomolecular modeling, biomanufacturing, precision medicine, and advanced diagnostics. So with this selection of startups, we really want to give you an idea of the technologies emerging from MIT that are advancing health science. They're going to speak to some of the use cases that they've been working on with partners and customers. So I encourage all of you to meet throughout the day, talk during the networking to discuss potential joint opportunities. Because that's what we do at MIT Startup Exchange. We help startups identify and experience collaborations and partnerships with industry, bringing together MIT connected startups, ILP corporate members to foster these collaborations and partnerships between them. The startups that we support, they all have a strong connection to the Institute. This connection can come through the team, the founding team, the technology. But in other cases, startups that don't have an origin at MIT, they'll be vetted and supported by our MIT peers, and we welcome them into Startup Exchange. So examples of MIT peers would be CSAIL Connect Plus, Start.Nano, and The Engine, many of which I'm sure you've heard of. And if not, we're happy to give you more information about those programs. We do work with hundreds of startups virtually in any sector. We also have geographic we're agnostic in terms of geography, working with MIT connected startups that are headquartered all over the world. But everything we do is to expose and connect startups and industry, and we do this in a highly curated way. We also can provide learning opportunities to both parties. So examples of how we build these connections: foster these introductions. We launch calls for startups based on corporate's own challenges or initiatives or priorities. We facilitate those one-on-one meetings between both parties. We host virtual demo days and other events. And in terms of those learning opportunities, that's again where we have the opportunity to co-organize them with our MIT peers, peers such as Martin Trust Center, E14, VMS, or the Venture Mentoring Service. This is a small, very small sample of the success cases that we've had to date. They include proofs of concept, pilots, joint development, and acquisitions. So it's really the intent for every event, every meeting, every introduction to produce that valuable connection for both parties that are ultimately going to lead to their own success case. So if you have any questions or want more information about how we're working with the ILP members and the ILP program to make sure that you do have these opportunities to engage with startups and new technologies, find one of our team members, your program manager, and we're happy to give you more information. Now on to the good stuff. Today's lightning talks. We have a sample of great startups. And again, this is representative of some of the focus areas that we've heard talked to today.